My name is Ganita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and I am doing good too.
Okay.
As usual, don't go out guys. Stay safe in home. Avoid going out. If you go out also, don't forget to sanitize. Don't forget to sanitize everything which you brought from outside and stay safe, eat healthy and be happy with your loved ones. Take care of your loved ones too. So without any more delay, let's dive into the video. So in today's video, I am going to tell you guys and recommend you guys few makeup products for teenagers for their daily use under 500 rupees. First and most essential product for a makeup is primer. Primer is something which is the base for your makeup. If you have open pores, this will clog your pores and it will let the makeup sit very flawless. Okay, so this is a Insight Makeup Essential Primer 3-in-1 long lasting oil free primer. I'm using this for more than 1 year. This is my first primer and I'm using it till now. It has been 1 year, more than 1 year. So this is for 30 ml 240 rupees. You can buy it around 200 in Amazon, Nykaa, Purple offers. So grab it guys. It is so good for the beginners. Do give it a try. So this is Insight 3-in-1 oil free primer. And this is so light to wear in your face. Another most essential thing is the foundation. I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me in the shade of 220 Natural Binge. So this is mattifying poreless, normal to oil. This is so good you guys. I am in love with this. This is for $299 and you can get around $250 in offers from Amazon or Purple or Nykaa. There are more foundations in market, but I don't know, I like this foundation and it suits me so well. So I will recommend you guys to buy this, and it can also be good for the teenagers who have started their makeup. So this is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. Next most important thing, without foundation also we can go out, but without concealer we can't. So this is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 30 Honey. This is my shade and this is for $495 I think so, but you can get around $350 something in Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. They will be always offer in this app, so you can go and buy this. I also have another one suggestion for Swiss Beauty, but I did not use until now. If I use, I will tell you guys that it's good or not in my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. I will link it over here. So I'll recommend you guys to buy this concealer. It is so good. You can, without foundation also you can go just using the concealer and you are good to go. So this is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Honey 30. Product is Maybelline New York Fit Me matte poreless normal to oil compact powder. There is also a compact powder under $149, but I brought this one. This is in shade 220 Natural Binge powder. The same shade has the foundation, and this is for 498 rupees I think so. Yeah, this is for 480. So this is for 480 and I got it for around 385 something because the huge offer was going in Amazon. So you can go and grab this. This is so good compact. There is also another few compacts under 150. So you can go and try that also, but I'll suggest you guys to buy this. It has been more than 1 year. Still I'm using this. See, still it have not been over. So yeah guys, I will recommend you guys to buy this one. So this is Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade 220. So next product is What a Girl Without Mascara. So I am using Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. So this is a so good mascara guys. So this mascara is for daily use. Every girls can use this and this is so good mascara. This is for $240 and I got around 200 something in offer. So you can go and grab this. This is so good you guys. All teenagers and beginners to try this mascara. It is so good. So this is Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So yeah, next product is the Lakme iconic kajal. What a girl without a kajal and mascara and eyeliner. So this kajal is my favorite. I have been using this kajal from 11th standard till now. Okay, not this one piece. I've been changing because it gets over. So it is so good, you guys. You can buy this. It is so affordable. It is around 180 something. You can get it in offer like 160. So this is so good, guys. I will recommend all teenagers and beginners to try this kajal. So this is Lakme Iconic Kajal, and you can see how thick it is in one swatch. Next product is eyeliner. So this is from Lakme Instant Eyeliner, water resistant eyeliner. Yeah, I know every student, every 90s kid have been using this kajal. I have been using this kajal from 11th standard. So this is my favorite till now. I have not changed it, and I will tell all teenagers and beginners to buy this eyeliner. So this is Lakme eyeliner, and you can see the consistency. So the next product is Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencils in the shade 102 dark brown. This is so good, you guys, and this is so affordable. I got this for 65 rupees, and this is so good. It also have a brush and it also has a eyebrow pencil, so 2 in 1. So for the beginners and for the starters, you can buy this, and it is so affordable. So this is a Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. You can see the swatch. So the next product is, of course, a lip liner. So this is Miss Claire lip liner in the sand pink lava L24. This is so good, you guys. It is like pinkish color. Buy in pink color, or you can buy it in nude color. I used to go with pink color because I love pink to wear in my lips. So I brought this color, and it is so good, you guys. This is for 65 rupees. You can get around 60 rupees. So this is so good, you guys. Try this for beginners, and for the starters you can go with this. So this is Miss Claire lip liner in the shade soft candy. So the next product is lipstick. So without lipstick, what is a makeup kit? So this is Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Light color, and this is for this is in the shade 11. This is in the shade 11. This is so matte finish liquid lipstick. This is so affordable. This is for 105 rupees, and is so good, guys. For the beginners, you can buy this and you can try this. This is Blue Heaven liquid matte lipstick. Randomly we gone for a purchase, me and my best friend. So from there I brought this. This is Streetwear liquid. So this is Streetwear lipstick. This is from, I don't know, I don't remember the company name.
Minutes later.
Company name is not here, so I will link it over here if I know the company name. And this is so good, you guys. This is for $2.99, and this lipstick was not brought by me. She gifted me. This is so good lipstick. Look, even I am wearing this lipstick now. This is so good, and this is my lipstick to go. So whenever I go somewhere, I will just do this lip liner, and I'll go with this lipstick. This two lipstick and lip liner matches the same color because it is also pinkish undertone. This is also pinkish undertone. So this is so good, you guys. Buy this one. I'll recommend you guys to buy this one. This is so good. This is from the Streetwear lipstick. It is a stick lipstick. So the next product is the basic product eyeshadow palette. This is eyeshadow palette from Hilaria Rhoda, and this is around 230, and I brought this for 150 something because it is so good, you guys. This is the basic eyeshadow palette you can buy. Everything's on nude colors. You have 1 2 3 4 5 matte colors, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 shimmery shades. Now every girls, for every dress, anyway we are going to use this and this. So this eyeshadow palette is for good for beginners and for the starters. You can make use of it, and there are so many shimmery colors. It is so good, you guys. Even now I am wearing it, so this is so good. This is a so affordable eyeshadow palette I have ever seen. So this is a copy of and this is a copy of Nike, I think so. I don't remember the company name. I will link it over here. So you can buy this and give it a try. It is available in Amazon. I brought it from Amazon for 150 around, so you can go and buy this. It is so good, you guys. Just buy it. So this is Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. You can see the swatch. It is so pigmented, you guys. Just buy it. So the next product is of course brushes and the sponge. I got this brushes for around 200 something from Amazon. I will link down the brushes or I'll put the sticker over here. I got around 10 brushes, 5 I got around 10 brushes, 5 for eyeshadow and 5 for face. So this is one fluffy blush, and this is contour blush, and this is concealer brush, and this is I don't know, and this is I don't know. I use only this three. I use only this three. I don't use this. I use sponge for my foundation and for my concealer because I'm comfortable with sponge. And this sponge I got around for 50 rupees somewhere nearby my store. This is so good. It's been more than 1 year and it's long lasting. It's good. So I recommend you guys to buy brush and a sponge because we don't know that which we are comfortable. I'm comfortable with sponge. I thought I'll be comfortable with brush, but I was comfortable with sponge. So buy the both. It is going to get used anyway. So buy both. I will link down the links below, or I will put a sticker over here for this both. So this is the brushes from Amazon. It is so good for beginners. So the next product and the most wanted product is of course a makeup remover. This is the makeup remover from Blue Heaven. This is paraben free. So this is so good, you guys. I got this around 150 rupees. I got this for 99 rupees only. A makeup remover for 99 rupees. It is so good, and it is so good, guys. You can give it a try for the starters, and for the beginners you can buy this. It is so affordable. I got this from Amazon. So this is the final. This is from Blue Heaven makeup remover. You can buy this. It is so affordable. I will link down all the products link below, so you can go and get it. So guys, one huge suggestion for you guys: don't buy makeup in a cheap rate. Because makeup is something which is going to make you look good. If you buy a cheap product for a small rate, it is not going to look good on you guys. So buy a good product. Even if you are buying a one product, buy it good. Save money for your makeup if you want, and buy it in good product and invest it in a good company. Makeup is something like investing, so you should invest it in good company, not in a random company. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If it did so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will help to grow my channel, and subscribe is a free for you guys, so don't forget. I will meet you guys in my next upcoming video. Until then, stay happy, stay positive. More power from me to you guys. Stay happy. So bye you guys.